So when you guys get up to the top, your head curves, your wefts will not curve like that. But right here at her curve, there's a buckle. And right here at this curve, there's a buckle. So if you ever encounter this issue and you feel like, oh, they promote these clip-ins to lay flat, but they don't, it's because you are probably using a longer track at the top of your head and you should use this at the bottom. So I'm gonna show you guys how to actually like put tracks together for the top, like the smaller wefts, to make it lay flat. The 2 weft tracks. I'll text you. So that is laying a lot flatter and it's not buckling at the curve because I used 2 smaller tracks at the top. So basically don't use a long weft or track at the top of your head.